Hey guys, it's Katty here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm all about cosmetics, beauty and aesthetic. If you're on the same page, please like to support, subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications. So I wanted to talk about easy makeup for beginners, and today I would like to share with you some of the products that you can use on a daily basis without investing a lot. And first thing first, if you've got dry skin or oily skin, I would recommend you to use both face primer and eyelid primer. As for me, my eyelids are super oily, and you know guys, actually for a long time I couldn't apply any eyeshadows at all. I couldn't just wear it because after a few minutes it would crease and just smudge all over, and it would look ugly. And only after using where's the beginning, eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer, my eyeshadows stay the whole day, not just 8 hours, the whole day actually. So I'm using primers that are not expensive, and first one is from NYX Shine Killer. Here we go. You don't need much. I usually use that much. I rub and warm it up in my fingers, and I kind of dab it in only in the inner portion of my face. Don't forget nose. That's it. I didn't apply it all over. And next step, I take my eyeshadow primer, which I'm running out of, and I apply on both eyelids and work it out. Next step, I use cushion, or you can use a foundation. It's up to you. My one is from Eyeshadow Air Cushion, and this one is one of my favorites, as this one I've been using for many years and it's still super good. It's super lightweight, natural. It stays the whole day. It doesn't crease what? It doesn't sit on the face. It doesn't budge or move around. I use that much, and I just dab it into my skin. I do not drag. And another. Do not forget about neck and ears. Oh guys, and yeah, the first step is always SPF. SPF is the most important step, even though this guy contains SPF 50 plus PA+++, but still I always use SPF as a first step. I do not apply foundation or cushion onto the eyelids. Make sure you blend it all in well. Here we go. Guys, the next step is concealer. If you've got any imperfections or acne scars or anything you want to cover, or under eye circles, you can use this one. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is still one of the best concealers on the market. And the next step would be powder, and I will use Laura Mercier. You know that I usually use By Terry as well, but By Terry I only use it under eyes and in the inner portion of my face, but Laura Mercier, you can use it all over your face. I've got some puff inside, and it's very important guys. The puff makes a difference. The puff makes your skin look so flawless. I use that little, and what I do, I just pressed the powder. And the next one, guys, I still use my Too Cool for School Art Class Bronzer. It comes along with the brush, which I pretty much like. It looks like this. That's so disgusting. Sorry. So for the contouring for the outer portions of my face, I use these two colors, and I will have to use a mirror. Okay, I cannot see. And I usually tap it here where my bronzer should be. And lately I actually follow one of the Korean makeup artists technique. She taught in her video to make kind of like a triangle here, and then you blend it in. Then you take it up, take it down, take more. Then you want to put bronzer here and go underneath your jawline, underneath your chin. And the technique that I learned from Rihanna, you put it down here, so it makes your neck kind of look slimmer. And we repeat it from the other side. We first put it where we want our bronzer to be, then we draw a triangle, blend it in, take it upwards, take it down. Guys, do not forget to blend it in into your ears, otherwise your ears will look super pale. Then I would take lighter color, I will place it here, the bridge of my nose, on both sides, and then I pinch the brush and I go down the nose. You can contour your nose this way, but it won't be too dark or obvious. And then I just take the light color and I apply it as an eyeshadow. So no need to waste more money on eyeshadow. I would also take some products on the brush, pinch the brush, and apply it underneath. Here we go, we've done with the bronzer, and we are getting into eyebrows. My eyebrow kit is from Shuemura. I use only this brush here. I take two colors together. I draw a line underneath my brow where I want it to be. And then I take it up. And take more product and fill in the end of the brow and a little bit here. Second brow. Though guys, I've got microblading that is fading, and that's why I use only powder just to follow my brow shape. Though if you do not have really thick dense brows, you can use a pencil. Though keep it in mind, if you use a pencil would kind of like reflect the light and will, like, you know, shine a little bit. It doesn't make sense. Glow, shine, whatever. It will not look natural, so I would highly recommend you to set it with powder as well. Well guys, next step is up to you, but I like to add a little bit of glitter or eyeshadows, especially underneath my eyes. So I use my Samuel under eye maker. I like it so much I really need to rebuy it, though it's like it's fallen to pieces and looks ugly. So I would just use this side and I would apply underneath my eyes here. I'd rather use a mirror, right? It opens your eyes so well. If you've got a mono eyeshadow, it also works. This one looks beautiful, and I can also add it a little bit underneath. Or you can even add it all over or in the center of your eyeshadows. It will make your eye look different. It will just diverse your makeup look. And also guys, there are eyeshadows. This one, I hope you can see it. It's got pretty big particles. And this one is from Stylanda. You can see they are kind of like not velvety, satin eyeshadows. And you can see these eyeshadows you can also use as a highlighter. You can just use your finger, no need even to invest into brushes or anything. Just do not overdo. Next step is a mascara, and here I use my favorite Vivienne Sabo Paris Cabaret black one. This one, guys, it's super cheap. It's like less than $10, maybe $7, $6. Why there's some $7 or $6, I don't know, guys. It's super cheap, and the wand looks like this, though it curls your eyelashes, it holds the curl, it separates your lashes, it lengthens them, it basically does everything you want, and it's also buildable. It's super good, guys, and it stays the whole day. It doesn't fall off. So you can actually see the difference. This is just one layer. And guys, you know, actually throughout my life I never liked mascaras because it will smudge all over my eyelids, because my eyelids are pretty oily. Eyeshadow primer is also a key here. It kind of keeps eyeshadows in place. It doesn't let your eyelids produce oil, so mascara doesn't smudge all over your eyelids. Though I still feel a little bit uncomfortable applying mascara on the lower lashes, so I apply it only on the upper lashes here. So let's apply the second coat. So what I do, I basically hold the wand and I work with my eyelid. My eyes are working. It goes down, you know, like, and the wand is basically staying in the same place. I move it only a little bit, and you want to go from the bottom of your eyelashes and go up. Here we go. I will finish my second eye. So here we go, guys. I finished the second eye. So this basically is my super quick and easy makeup look for every day. And then I use Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and one of my lipsticks, lip balms, or lip glosses. This one, it looks so ugly. Buxom White Russian Sparkle. This one, 1133, is one of my favorites at the moment, but I've been wearing it in my previous videos so you can see. And also, guys, this one, actually, I have no idea, Buxom does plump your lips, and it moisturizes your lips and actually stays for a long time. I really like this one, but also one of my favorites used to be and still is, I need to rebuy it, but I haven't found this very color. Oh my gosh, 29 Rose Charismatic, and this one is from Bourjois 3D Effect Lip Gloss, and I want to use whatever's left of it today. This one is really soft and nice. It glides so easily, and it makes your lips look smooth and lovely. And also they've got different colors. And the last step, guys, this one is very important. For a long time I've been thinking that setting spray, you know, you need it only if you plan to wear your makeup for a long time and you want to look flawless. But heck no, guys, this one makes a difference. First of all, you know, guys, if your makeup looks a little bit like patchy or dry, or you just do not like the way it looks after you applied it, this guy will fix it. And guys, I would recommend you to invest in this very setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. They also have got a small version, 100 milliliters. This one, oh, what? No, this one is 100 milliliters. They've got a smaller one. I don't remember, maybe 30. Well, anyways, guys, this one makes a difference. First of all, it magically makes your makeup look way better, and it holds your makeup in place, and it wears off buying it. I don't know, it's so good. So I didn't really want it to get on my hair and lips as well. And guys, it smells so good. It doesn't cause any breakouts or anything, but after you spray it on the face. You want to use a fan or just a hand to dry it out. And here we go. I love this guy. Well guys, that was it. This is my super simple everyday makeup look for beginners, which is very easy and affordable. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please like to support, and see you guys next time. Have fun. Hug you all. Bye bye.